Hi, I'm Stephen Webster. I'd like to welcome you to 27 Maud Street in Rivervale. If you've been looking to secure yourself an easy care home in one of the quieter and leafier streets of Rivervale, then don't miss this opportunity to secure yourself a neat and tidy home that's just been freshly painted, has floorboards throughout, open spacious living areas and a bonus theatre room. So come on in and enjoy your tour. Hi, welcome back. Hope you've enjoyed your tour of 27 Maud Street in Rivervale. As you can see, it has a spacious layout plus an easy care garden as well. For more details about property, please call my mobile. And as you know, the next viewing time is on the Burke's website.